Dear students, welcome to Math4U. Today we are going to discuss about factorization using identities. We have done previously how to do the factorization by taking the common factors as well as by regrouping, right? So let's see how can we do the factorization using the identities. So what all are the identities? Let's see first what are the identities. So we have the identities here. A plus b the whole square. What is a plus b the whole square? A plus b the whole square. What is a plus b the whole square? You have learned this in grade 7 as well. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. And what is a minus b the whole square? When it comes to a minus b the whole square, you know only there's slight change from a plus b the whole square. What is that? The second term will be negative. The rest will be same as before, right? Now we have the third identity, a plus b multiplied with a minus b. What is the answer for this? That is a square minus a b square. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to find out the factorization by using these three identities. Okay, so let's see example for this. So first question what I'm going to give you is 4x squared minus 8x plus 4. So how can we do the factorization of this expression? So this expression, when you look at this, you can understand that the first and the last term, can we write it 4x square in the form of 2x the whole square and this 4 as 2 square. So first and the last term, you can see these are perfect squares and we can write it in this form because 2x the whole square means what? 4x square and 2 square means that is 4, right? So now you can see that the first and the last term are here, both the identities having it in the form of square, and this also we got it as a square. Now we are going to check for the sign of the middle term. Sign of the middle term. What is the sign of the middle term? Sign of the middle term for our question is negative. So we can understand that it will move with a minus b the whole square. And that you have to write it as minus 2ab. What is a here? A is the first term and b is the second term. So minus 2 multiplied with a. The first term is what? 2x, and we have here b as 2. So 2x into 2. So is that when we multiply negative 2 into 2x into 2, we are getting negative 8x? Yes. So this is how you can do it. Once you have done it, we are going to take out that a and b with the sign of the middle term, that is negative, and put it inside the bracket, and that is squared. So what is the factorized form of our first question? 2x minus 2 multiplied with 2x minus 2. Is that clear? Let's see another one example. Second one. Okay, let's see the second one. 4x square minus 4 root 3x plus 3. How can we do this one, and which identity we have to use here? So can we use here the identity second one? Let's see. So here this one, can we write it as a 2x the whole square? Yes, we can write it. And this one, how can we write this one? So let's see. Can we write this 3 as a root 3 multiplied with the root 3 will give you 3? Right. Okay. So root 3 multiplied with root 3, can we write it as in the form of a square? Yes. That is equal to 3. Right. So let's write this as a root 3 the whole square. So plus root 3 the whole square is the last term. So now let's see for the middle term, that is a negative. So first term you got it as 2x, a and b as a root 3. Now the middle term you have to write it in the form of which one? Minus 2ab, right? Minus 2ab. So how can we write this? That is 2 into minus, I have already done here, 2 multiplied with first term is 2x and that is b is root 3, right? So again you have to check whether negative 2 multiplied with 2x multiplied with root 3, you are getting negative 4 root 3x. That is correct, right? So which identity we have used here? A minus b the whole square. What is a over here? What is a over here? A is 2x, so 2x minus b is minus root 3 the whole square. So the factorized form of 4x square minus 4 root 3x plus 3 is what? That is equal to, you can write it as 2x minus root 3 and 2x minus root 3, right? So let's see another one example related to this, okay? So I'm going to write a question over here. 49y square plus 84yz plus 36z square. So how can we do this one? As we have discussed, we can write it as 7y the whole square, right? And the last term, can we write it as 6z the whole square? Yes, that is correct. Now you know the center term or the second term, that is plus. So obviously it will go with the first identity, a plus b the whole square, right? So you already got what is a and what is b. So a plus b the whole square, the second term is plus 2ab. So plus 2 into a is 7y and b is 6z. You have to check whether this multiplied together, you will get 84yz. So you can see here 2 7s are 14, 14 into 6, you will get 84 and yz. That is correct. So now you can write it as a plus b the whole square. So now we got the factors as 7y plus 6z multiplied with this will multiply, you will get the answer. That means these are the factors. Clear? So this is how you can do in both the identities. Let's see another one. So now I'm going to write here the fourth question. Fourth question, you can see here it is 4p square minus 9q square. So now you can see another one identity is there here, right? And how can we understand that this is related to which identity we have to choose over here? As I told, the first two identities, you can see three terms are there. The first and the last, we can write it as in the form of a square, right? Second point. Third point is you have to check the middle term or the second term, whether you can write it as in the form of plus 2ab or minus 2ab. Okay, you can arrive at the answer. But in this question, you can see that only two terms are there. Okay, and these two, you can write it in the form of what? 2p the whole square and 3q the whole square, right? So now this is of the form, which one? A square minus b square, where a is what? A is 2p and you can see b is 3q. So how can we factorize it? You can see here a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b, right? So you can write this as the factors 2p plus 3q and 2p minus 3q, right? This is how you can solve it. Let me give you a question to do. Okay, so fifth question, you can see that here L plus m the whole square minus 4lm. Take a few seconds and do it and then check the answer here. Okay, anyway, I'm going to explain it. So fifth one, you can see L plus m the whole square. This can we expand in the form of a plus b the whole square, where a is equal to L and b is equal to m. What is a plus b the whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square, right? And we have here minus 4lm from the question itself. So you can see here plus 2lm and minus 4lm. What will be the final one? L square minus 2lm plus m square, right? So how can we do the rest? How can we do the rest? This is of the form, the first and the last term are square form, and that means L square and m square are there, negative 2 into first term into last term. So can we write it as in the form, you know, L, okay, minus m the whole square, and the factors are L minus m and L minus m, right? I hope all of you have done it properly, correctly. All of you got the answers, right? So now let me give you some few homework questions to do. So first homework is 81y square minus 121z square. So try this one. Second one is 9p square minus 36b plus 36, and the third one is 4x squared plus 28x plus 49. Try all these questions as homework. Okay, I hope this is very clear for you, and we will go with one more identity in the next video. Thank you.